And now you can introduce your song.
Alright, Kylie, what's the first one we're singing? Remember? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. My sleigh tonight, then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted on with me. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, told the his story.
Yay! Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful.
And you don't remember the next one?
Okay, now look over this way at the camera.
It's short, right? But you can look at the camera when you're singing, right?
No.
Oh, come on, you can do it.
You know what? I'll go over there too so I can see better.
I've got to look at the guitar, so you've got to look at the camera.
All right. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Yeah, all right.
All right. Good
job.
singing.
Good job.
Encore. Encore.
Oh, we don't know anymore.
All right, how about a little,
Didn't you do
No.
Silent Night before?
Last year.
Yeah.
Last year.
Yeah.
I don't remember it. Last year.
You'd have to work through it.
how about a little green sleeves?
That's okay. I don't remember that one either. Let's go.
Go downstairs.
Yeah, we have to go. So, Merry Christmas, guys.